In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block accounts on Instagram. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So for an example, I'll use this account just to show you how to do it, and then I'll unblock it. To block any account, tap on it to open and then tap on these three lines. And from here, you can see we have an option to block. If you tap on block, now you are told this will also block any other profiles they have or create in future. You can unblock them anytime. To confirm that you want to block, just tap on block here, and this will be added to your block list. Now, should you want to unblock that account sometimes later, just head over to your profile icon down below and then tap on these three lines, and here scroll down to blocked. Here you can see we already have one, so if I open it, you will see all the blocked accounts that you blocked on your profile. And you can see I currently have one. To unblock, just tap on unblock and then confirm by that. And now you can see I've removed the account from the blocked list. So that's how you can block account on Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.